For starters, the Acer Swift 7 uses this unique touchpad solution that doesn't click neither haptically, like the 12-inch MacBook and MacBook Pro, or physically. Acer made this compromise to maintain the world's thinnest laptop title. Luckily, Acer undid this weird design choice in the Acer Swift 7 2019. But, Acer wasn't done with just the trackpad. The Acer Swift 7 uses an old, fanless 7th generation Intel Core Y series processor that sees it lag behind the best Ultrabooks. And, while it is a gorgeous device, and even features built-in LTE compatibility, it's hard to recommend in the shadow of so many stronger laptops. There's just one configuration of the Acer Swift 7 laptop, and it calls for $1,699 in both all black and black on gold color options. This will get you everything listed to the right, including a fingerprint sensor for biometric Windows Hello login as well as an LTE modem and ESM built in. Similarly, the HP Spectre 13 is just 0.6 of an inch thicker than the Acer model, and features one of the latest Intel Core i7 series processors, with directly comparable storage and memory at a cheaper $1,399. Granted, the laptop's display is nearly an entire inch smaller, but the device can be configured with double the memory and storage that the Acer Swift 7 offers for just another $10 or quid. Acer has clearly developed this laptop with thinness, lightness and portability in mind. The Acer Swift 7's weight comes in at just 2.6 pounds, and it measures just 0.35 inches thin. Luckily, the keyboard on the Acer Swift 7 2018 is backlit and feels great to type on even with the very shallow travel. Turning up the feedback force helps a lot here. However, we can't say the same for the trackpad. Acer has at least gone great lengths to improve the Swift 7 multimedia experience, but those pursuits have produced new drawbacks of their own. Now, the touchscreen is 14 inches on the diagonal, thanks to far more narrow bezels. The IPS screen makes colors absolutely pop and offers up wide viewing angles for sharing content, which could come in handy when pushing the display down 180 degrees. Movies and still photos look vibrant and crisp through the Cine Crystal LED display. We do find the Swift 7 to bring forth some fantastic battery life figures, even if they're unsurprisingly behind Acer's own promises. While Acer claims up to 10 hours of use from the laptop, we've seen it last a little more than an hour less than that. You're likely able to get an entire workday's worth of use out of this laptop, of course, assuming the tasks involved are all relatively lightweight. Meanwhile, we've found the more powerful MateBook X Pro and more popular MacBook to last just as long in our benchmarks, both of which can be had for less than this laptop.